Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 3110 score of in string. So in this question here is given a string, you just have to find the score. Score is defined as an absolute value of an difference between the adjacent element. Okay, so first I will create int score equals to 0, and then I will traverse through the string for int I equals to 0, I less than s dot size -1 and I plus plus, and score plus is equals to absolute difference between s of I minus s of I plus 1. Okay, and after that you just have to return the score. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. This has been submitted. Thanks for watching.